This question seems to be a difficult question, but it is a very easy question we can solve with the Leibniz rule. Let the slope of this line be this for some R1, R2 element of real numbers, which means this is the slope of this line. That's a connection. Now, let x tends to 3, this integral value divided by this term is equal to, what is the limit? We need to find the limit. First of all, we can connect these two conditions. We have given a line. What is the line? 4x plus 5y, 45x plus 5y, 45x plus 5y equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 0, plus 3 equal to 0. From here we can write it in the form y equal to mx plus c, which will be 45x plus 3 equal to minus 5y. When you divide through with the minus 5, you will get y equal to minus 9x minus 3 by 5. Now, what is the slope of this line? It is of the form y equal to mx plus c, hence slope equal to minus 9. Now, what is given? Slope of this line is this, which means 27 r1 plus 9 r2 by 2 equal to 9 minus 9. That is 27 r1 minus plus 9 r2 divided by 2 equal to minus 9. This is the conclusion. Now we can proceed with this limit. What is this limit? That is limit x tends to 3 integral. See, our variable is t. We are integrating with the t. When you integrate with the t, we can assume that x is constant because x is not varying, only t is varying. So you can write it as integral 3 to x 8t square dt the whole divided by 3 r2 x divided by 2 minus r2 x square minus r1 x cube minus 3x. This is it. Now, here when you apply x equal to 3, upper limit and lower limit becomes 0. This numerator part becomes 0. What will happen if you put x equal to 3 in the denominator? If x equal to 3 means it is 3 into 3, 9 r2 divided by 2 minus x square is 9 r2 minus x cube is 27 r1 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Now, if you simplify this one, it will be minus 9 r2 divided by 2 minus 27 r1 minus 9. Now, if you take this quantity here, 27 r1 plus 9 r2 divided by 2 plus 9 equals 0. Similarly, if you take a negative sign, at x equal to 3, the whole denominator becomes 0. So, we should apply L'Hospital rule. Now, we can proceed with the L'Hospital rule. Now we can apply L'Hospital rule. When you apply L'Hospital rule, the derivative denominator limit x tends to 3 using Leibniz rule, 8 is constant. Just apply the upper limit on this t. Instead of t, put the upper limit function. It will be x square into derivative of x is 1, applying chain rule, minus when you apply lower limit, it is a value. So derivative of this 3 will be automatically 0. No need to proceed with the denominator part. The whole divided by, what is the derivative this time? It is 3 r2 divided by 2 minus, this will be how much? X square, derivative x square is 2x r2 minus derivative x cube is 3 x square r1 minus 3 derivative x is 1. Just took the derivative, normal derivative differentiation. Now you can apply the value of x equal to 3. It will be 3 square is 9, 8 into 9 is 72 divided by 3 r2 divided by 2 minus, it will be 3 into 2 will be 6 r2 minus 3 square is 9, 9 into 3 is 27 r1 minus 3. Now can I write 6 as 12 divided by 2? I can write it as 12 divided by 2. It is 12 divided by 2. When you simplify, it is 72 divided by 12 divided by 2 minus 3 r, see 12 r 12, see the denominator is same, it is r2. 12 minus 3 will be 9, but 12 is negative, it will be minus 9 r2 divided by 2 minus 27 r1 minus 3. Now, when you multiply this whole expression with negative, minus 27R1 minus 9R2 divided by 2 equal to plus 9. So you can change this term with the plus 9. It will be 72 divided by 9 minus 3. It is equal to 72 divided by 6, which is equal to 12. Our final answer is 12.